Hey guys, I hope you're having a good week. My name is Hazel and I'm a part-time reseller, stay-at-home mom. I primarily resell on Poshmark and eBay, and I also do a little ThredUp and Shopify. And before we get into this what sold video, please subscribe if you want some more reseller content, and like this video to help out with the algorithm. I'm trying to grow my channel and your support is greatly appreciated. Okay, so before we get into the what sold video for the week of October 26th to November 1st, I just wanted to talk a little bit about ThredUp since it is a side hustle of mine. I know a lot of people have mixed feelings about the new policies that ThredUp has implemented, and everyone's feelings are valid. Just wanted to throw that out there, because the platform means something different to each person, and for me it was a pretty viable side hustle and second, third source of income and whatnot. So it's kind of disappointing, but I understand that the direction they want to take would benefit their company, as opposed to us resellers, because originally they weren't made for us resellers. But that doesn't cushion the blow or make it hurt any less. So that's just my 2 cents. If you want to share your thoughts about the recent ThredUp changes, please comment below and let's talk about it. Okay, now that I've said my piece, let's get into the what sold video for October 26th to November 1st. And there is sort of a 2-week delay because I want to make sure all my orders on Poshmark have been accepted and that there are no returns coming through on eBay. All right, let's get started. So for this week, I had 13 Poshmark sales, 1 bundle, and 1 eBay sale. It was kind of a slow week because I spent it working on the back end of my business, just dealing and managing and reorganizing a bunch of inventory and depth piles, just kind of trying to make my space more efficient. So my first sale of the week was this Torrid skinny jeans, and I accepted a customer offer of $25. I picked this up recently at a thrift store, so either locally or at New Orleans. I usually find a lot of my Torrid there, and it's a bread and butter brand for me. So this Let's Talk About It shirt, I really love this graphic. I picked it up from my local thrift store, and it sold for a customer offer of $13. This H&M jacket I received in a porch pickup, so it was free to me, and I accepted a customer offer of $20. My next sale was a bundle of this vintage Victoria's Secret gold label Hawaiian pajama set, and the customer offered $40 for this bundle, and I thrifted both of these pieces separately, so it was pretty interesting that this customer was able to buy it in a set. My next sale was an Under Armour black flare workout pants, and I also received this from a porch pickup, so I accepted a customer offer of $20. I accept a lot of offers, especially when I receive the item for free, and I believe that helps with the momentum of my sales, because sales beget more sales. So this Fig and Flower tunic I had for a little over a year. I picked it up when I first started reselling. I thought it was an Anthropologie brand, but I don't think it is. I sent out an offer for $20 with discount shipping, and the buyer accepted. I think what also made it such a slow sale was there was a little bit of damage, which I disclosed. My next sale was this Donald J. Pliner flats. I thrifted this, I believe, locally, and this is a pretty good bread and butter mature brand for me. I always, especially with the shoes, get pretty good offers. So definitely be on the lookout for DJP shoes. The first time I heard of them, actually, I was at the bins and I found a new in box wedges set, and that went for around $50. And my cost of goods, since it was at the bins, was, I forget, I think it was like $2, $3. My next sale was this Spanx two-tone crop leggings, and I accepted a customer offer of $35. So my last Poshmark sale this week was a Gymshark tank, and I thrifted it a year ago in Dallas. During my brother-in-law's wedding, we were there for a whole week. We had celebrated Halloween actually, so it took a year to sell. I think because I had it listed high, and most likely the leggings go for more than the tank does. On eBay, I received an offer each day, at least one offer, but usually they were pretty low, and I wanted to hold out on some of these items, so I didn't accept it. So the only thing I sold that week was this Sandro Paris gold coin purse, and there was some damage, but it sold to someone here in Florida for a customer offer of $75. I had received this in my Rachel Jomar collaboration box, and so the cost of goods was under $10, and it sold pretty fast by the time I was able to list it. I think it took about a month, so I'm really happy with that sale. Thanks guys for watching this What Sold video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know down below, and like and subscribe if you can. Your support really helps me out in growing this channel. And also follow me on Instagram at brownskin17. I post there almost daily, and you can get more information and behind the scenes on my reselling journey. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I wish you much luck and wealth in reselling. Bye.